Usually use this, like I said, if there's like short time and I don't want to get into a scramble with someone, or I'll use it when they're really tired. I know someone wants to tie up with me just to get their hands on and kind of stall, then I'll kind of use this. But I play with this post anyway, okay? I'm always posting. Okay, so when I reach this, that's the reaction I want, okay? So before I do it, I'll just mess around here and make sure that's what I'm gonna get from him. When I reach, he comes to tie up. So I'm just trying to get this hole open to get my head through. But as I do that, I'm stepping this way, okay? Trying to make him think everything's going to the right side, even though I'm not gonna shoot on his back leg, okay? So I step and reach, and now I have the hole I want, and I'm just using this leg to redirect myself the opposite direction. Kind of just a little penetration step to this side, outside leg, just like my outside leg high crouch, and then I'll just pivot and turn the corner as I catch the waist. So step, reach. Now I'm redirecting, taking that outside step here, head's going through the hole. Ideally this guy sprawls and I'm gonna catch him on his hip there. So I'm here. Okay. And I just kind of windshield wiper to turn the corner as soon as my trailer comes up. So again, outside step, sell everything to the right to open up the left. Okay. Once I'm here, knee goes down, I'm redirecting, head through that hole. This hand's coming to the waist to catch, and then I'm gonna turn the corner, anticipating his sprawl, and take the back. Okay. One more time, a little faster. Outside step. Okay, one thing too, I want to avoid him overhooking this arm, so if need be, I'll just bring this hand to the back pocket. Okay, so as I'm here. Okay, so when I step, that hand goes to the back pocket. If I just leave it up here, he's gonna get that underhook. That's gonna mess up the move, so just slide that to the back pocket.